In this video, we will show you the procedure to manage the conductor specifications within the conductor module of Southwire Electric. We will describe the process to locate a specification, create a new one, edit a specification, and finally we will print different reports. During the conductor selection process, Southwire Electric creates a Technic Chain using the information provided in the general data, circuit entry window, and from the conductor selection process. Once the Technic Chain is created, it links the conductor information with the specification library, and then we can get a conductor comprehensive description, conductor diameter, conductor catalog, and the URL where the conductor datasheet can be found on the web. This automatic process is equivalent that you define the conductor size and look for it in the manufacturer catalog and locate the conductor to obtain the part number and dimensions. This process is made by Southwire Electric to make your work easier and useful to later create a bill of conductors and selected conduits or cable trays where the conductor is installed. The Southwire Electric library has more than 240,000 specifications for conductor, which describes the cable features. In each individual specification, identified as a Technic chain of 11 positions. First, we need to be familiar with the way the specification name is integrated. The first position defines the conductor material that can be copper or aluminum. The second position is for the conductor wire size. The third position is for the conductor rated voltage. The fourth position is the insulation type. The fifth position is the conductor rated operation temperature. The sixth position is the percentage of insulation. The seventh position defines the conductor type that can be standard, tray cable or TC, or TC-ER, meaning tray cable exposed room, or armored. The eighth position is for the conductor application that can be control or power. The ninth position is for the metallic shield. The 10th position is for the conductor color, and finally the last one is for the conductor overall jacket that can be no jacket, PVC, CPE, or low smoke zero halogens. Once we have identified how a specification is created, we can add a specification in the library. To open the conductor's library, select the option Views on the main menu and then select Specifications, or directly press the Specifications icon on the toolbar. The Specifications Grid will open. Every record in this grid represents a conductor specification. The first column in this grid shows an icon table that indicates it is an original record in the library. Once you modify the library, the icon will change to a writing hand to indicate that the specification was consulted or edited. In the second column, you will see the specification Technic Chain that is a non-repeatable key field in the library. After that, you will see the conductor diameter and the conductor weight per length unit, alias, catalog number, and the conductor URL. This grid has its own toolbar to add a specification, edit an existing one, copy, or delete it. You can create a filter for the specification database or restore the filter. You can also copy the specification database and change the columns in this layout. This icon opens a URL link associated with the specification, and finally this icon closes the grid. To create a new specification, press the Add icon in the grid toolbar. This will open the specification's primary window. There are two ways to create a specification, the automatic mode and the manual mode. If you want to create a customized tag for your specification, select the manual checkbox located on the upper right and simply type the name in the specification field. If you want Southwire Electric to integrate the Technic chain for you, leave the manual box unchecked. When selecting the combo boxes in the Data tab, the specification Technic chain will be integrated automatically. Please notice that you can create a specification with any ID, but you will need to link it manually later in the circuit specification. If you create it automatically, the association process will be automatic, while the Southwire Electric selects the conductor and creates a specification matching the new specification. Type the conductor diameter and then the conductor weight per unit length. If you require an alias for your specification to link the reports or output files, you can type this information on this field. Type the conductor commercial catalog number from your preferred conductor manufacturer. If you defined a non-manual specification, the Data tab will be active. Select the conductor feature for your specification. You can notice that as long as you are selecting the features such as conductor per phase, wire size, voltage, the specification will be created in the text box at the top. When you have defined all fields in the Integrate the 11-position chain, type the conductor URL pointing to the web location where the conductor catalog or conductor datasheet can be found. Enter the description in this text box. In case you have selected a non-manual specification, you can press the Update button to get a description for your conductor. If you have selected a manual specification, you should enter the conductor features as you want it to appear in the conductor summary. Press the OK button to validate the data and close this window. To print your specification, select the option Reports in the main menu and then select Specifications. This will show a window to filter the specifications that you want to print. Select the criteria to shorten the specifications to list the maximum of 2,500 specifications per report. For example, copper, wire size 1 aught, voltage 600 volts, or select the checkbox and the type of chain that you want to filter. For example, CU-1/0/600, meaning copper conductor, 1 aught wire size, 600 volts. You can change the report label in this box at the bottom of the screen. Press the OK button to see the report preview. You can use the report toolbar icons to print the report, export the reports to a file, print into Adobe Acrobat format, change the size of the report, or navigate in the report pages. Press the Close button to hide the report. These are the basic steps to manage the conductor specifications. For detailed information, read the software manual or visit the help files included in the software in the option Help of the main menu. Thanks for your attention, and we recommend that you see complementary videos for conductors module, conduit and cable tray sizing, and grounding grid design for a complete knowledge of the Sizer Electric software.